Hi everybody! Hope you're having a great week and a nice spring break and staying healthy and well. Such a crazy time. I thought I'd make a quick video to tell you what to expect, show you our website, what's happening for the rest of the semester. So I wanted to start off on our course website and show you, here is the Zoom information with the link and what my office hours are. So starting on Monday, please contact me, come to office hours through Zoom. You can also still email me anytime. What else should I show you? On the syllabus page of our website, here is a list of everything that's due and when it's due. It's also on the calendar, and I will still be reminding you and announcements. Please check announcements. Please, please, please. What else? Modules. This is where we're going to be doing the work. You completed Module 1 before spring break, and now Module 2 is available with our last chapters, 9, 10, and 11. So what you'll be doing here, just go through these steps. You're going to be having a hypothesis testing Chapter 9 video with lectures and slides. So what I've done here is I've created the video for that chapter. You can link to the slides. I am now making all of the lyrics assignments optional. So that's important. That's something new. The only homework I want you to be doing for these chapters is watching the video and then doing the handout problems. The lyrics are just there for you to practice. So you can get in there, get real-time hints, etc. No points for that. The points are for the online assignments, and I wanted to also let you know, on top of the online assignments and the modules, there's still the discussions. I want everybody to be participating in the discussions. Here you can see Chapter 9, hypothesis testing. Here's your optional lyrics assignment. Here is the that you're going to submit online, the handout problems. Okay, then you're going to go here, Chapter 10, same thing. What else do I want to tell you? You're going to be doing the lectures. You can look at the slides. You'll do the handout problems. Something new is, instead of Exam 4 online, people struggled with this, having the exam online, I've created a project. So go in here and take a look at the project. It's called an infographic. It's super cool. I love this. It's something you will use in the real world. This is what an infographic looks like. The instructions are all in here, and I'll be reminding everybody. So this is instead of Exam 4. The last thing I want to tell you that's important to know is we will no longer have a final in this class. The final, and I've got it here, instead of the final, it's your group presentation. Get your group presentation finalized and submit it. There will be no final exam. So that will count for the points for the final and your group project. So that's really what I wanted to let you guys know, how to reach me via Zoom, where you can see the due dates and what's in the modules and what I've changed. And I'll be sending around an announcement as well. So I hope everybody is doing well. And stay in touch, and let's get to the end of the semester and finish strong. Alrighty, thanks. Bye.